Santa Claus here for Expert Village. Good cookies are cited as the #1 cause in 4 out of 5 cases of extreme Christmas morning happiness. Even if your name is on the naughty list, a good cookie is money in the bank. So let's get started. The sine qua non for the most perfect cookie is the correct ingredients. 2 1/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 sticks of butter or margarine, Santa prefers butter, 3/4 cups granulated sugar, 3/4 cups packed brown sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 large eggs, and 1 3/4 cups of chocolate chips. First thing is to be sure your oven will be ready when you're ready. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now while the oven is warming up, we want to combine the flour, baking soda, and salt. Get them all stirred up good, mixed up together. Okay, so your butter, your granulated sugar, your brown sugar, and we didn't pre-measure it, so we'll get it now. Your vanilla extract. Looks like Granny's old cough syrup going in there, don't it? Beat all them together. Give them a real good solid beating in a large mixing bowl. The idea is to beat this up until you have one smooth, creamy mixture. It takes a while this way, but you're not surprised that Santa's old-fashioned. Get your first egg. You want to beat that one in good and thoroughly. Egg number 2. Same game. Get her in there. Try not to get it all over your gloves, and whip it into the mixture. Just like so. By now your smooth and creamy mixture should be a little bit soupy. Then you gradually beat in the flour mix. Now it's important to be gradual about this because if you start to just pour it in there, it's going to lump up and you'll never get them lumps out. So a little bit at a time, stir it in real good and thorough. You'll see as you go along, it gradually stiffens up. It's harder and harder to stir. By the time you're done, it should very strongly resemble wallpaper paste. We're hoping it'll taste better. Once you've got all your flour mix stirred in, add your chocolate chips. These ain't going to lump up on you, or you want them to. You don't have to be real cautious about getting them in there. Just get them all in, stir them into the mix, like so. So next, we need to grease a cookie sheet to receive our cookies. Easiest way is just a little bit of butter or margarine. Santa likes to just take a paper towel, scrape up a little, and rub it on the cookie sheet. Doesn't take a lot. You just don't want the cookies to stick. Okay, once you're finished, need to get a spoon, and you just dollop it out. About that big a glop for a normal size cookie. If you want to do a Santa size cookie, something along that order. Leave some space between your cookies. They're going to grow as they bake. So just a good idea to leave at least a half, 3/4 inch or more between them as you lay them out on the cookie sheet. That's not big enough. That's a little more like it. All right. Pop them in the oven, which you've already heated. Remember, 375 Fahrenheit, 190 Celsius. Put on the middle rack. That's where your temperature is going to be the most even. Close the door. For you, this will take 9 to 11 minutes. But for Santa, Happy Christmas to all, and to all a good night.